First drug is atropine. Atropine is used in the bradycardia, other surgeries to reduce the saliva, mucus, or other secretions in the airway. Atropine, for increasing the heart rate, it is used. Dose is 1 mg IV bolus, 5 minutes for the maximum dose of the 3 mg. Second drug is adenosine. When Viagra's manicure fail to terminate, stable narrow complex SVT or VT. It is used for conduction in the AV node by interpreting the AV nodal circuit and converting SVT in a hopefully sinus rhythm. Dose: first dose 6 mg IV, rapid push for 1 to 3 seconds, followed by the rapid 20 ml flush, that is elevation of the extremities. And the second dose is 12 mg IV, rapid push over 2 to 3 seconds. Third drug is the sodium bicarb. Sodium bicarb is used for tricyclic antidepressant overdose, correct the metabolic acidosis in cardiac arrest. Acid waste build up in the body after the heart stop beating. Cardiac arrest due to hypercapnia. Doses 1 mg kg IV push in a dose of 50 ml D5W. Fourth drug is the lignocaine. Lignocaine is used in arrest due to ventricular fibrillation, pulseless ventricular tachycardia, local anesthesia. It is used for slow the influx of the sodium, raising the cells, electrical stimulation, thrust hold, and restoring the cardiac rhythm. Lignocaine in ventricular fibrillation. Initial dose is 50 to 100 mg IV bolus, once or 2 to 3 minutes. May repeat after 5 minutes if necessary, and exceed up to 300 mg in 1 hour period. And lignocaine in ventricular tachycardia. Initial dose 50 mg to 100 mg IV bolus, once over 2 to 3 minutes. May repeat after 5 minutes if necessary. Not to exceed up to 300 mg in a 1 hour period. Then fifth drug is the epinephrine. Epinephrine is used in ventricular fibrillation, that is a pulseless ventricular tachycardia, symptomatic bradycardia, anaphylaxis, and asystolic PEA. Pathophysiology: stimulate alpha and beta adrenergic receptors to relax heart and lung, smooth muscle and dilate veins or vessels. Doses: for the asystolic ventricular fibrillation, PVT, PEA, 1 mg IV, 5 minutes. Epinephrine 1 mg IV, 5 minutes. Push 1 epinephrine. And for the symptomatic bradycardia, start infusion at 2 to 10 minutes IV, treating to the patient response. Then the fifth drug is the amiodarone. Amiodarone is used in ventricular fibrillation, pulseless ventricular tachycardia, recurrent hemodynamically unstable ventricular tachycardia. Pathophysiology: blocks the potassium currents that normally causes repolarization of heart muscle. This will reduce cardiac muscle excitability, lower the heart rate, and hopefully slow down the heart. Amiodarone dose 300 mg IV push, second dose 150 mg IV push. Then the sixth drug is the calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is used cardiac arrest, hyperkalemia, hypocalcemia. Calcium chloride pathophysiology: contraction of the major muscle organs like the heart. Doses of the calcium chloride: in cardiac arrest 20 mg IV bolus, in non-arrest infused over 30 to 60 minutes. The next drug is the magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate uses terminate or prevent recurrent ventricular tachycardia associated with the Torsades arrhythmia related to the hypomagnesemia. Pathophysiology of the magnesium sulfate: muscle relaxation in major organ, slow the impulse rate of the SA node to relax the heart. Dose of the magnesium sulfate 1 to 2 gram diluted in 50 to 100 ml D5W. IV push for 5 to 20 minutes.